As a little kid, I looked up at the stars and made a wish, hoping one day it would come true. I bet you have too. Well, a long time ago, there was a young deaf man, an astronomer, who loved to look at the stars too. His observations were so accurate that his methods are still being used. Looking up at the sky, people have always imagined other life forms. Since our galaxy is made up of countless stars, many legends have been handed down about these mysterious bodies, and historically, they were believed to affect everything from our moods and personalities to the weather. More than 1,000 light-years from Earth is a star called Algol. Its varying brightness led ancient stargazers to call it a demon star, causing bad luck and misfortune, perhaps even to the first man who could explain its behavior, John Goodricke. Thomas Hamilton, a professor of astronomy at the College of Staten Island, values Goodricke's significant accomplishment.
Goodricke came from a very wealthy family. His grandfather was a large landowner and a knight, and as a result, Goodricke did not have to work. Instead, what he did was he became an astronomer, and he worked as an astronomer and built himself an observatory.
In the late 1700s, astronomy was not a paid profession, but because he came from a wealthy family, he was able to buy the best telescopes and did a great deal of important scientific work from his home in Yorkshire, England. Goodricke's observations proved that Algol is really two separate stars which eclipse, causing the brightness to change every 3 days. He was also able to determine that the dominating star is 10 times bigger than our sun.
It was a tremendously important achievement because to this day, the only stars that we can really accurately measure their size are eclipsing binaries. Goodricke's work unlocked the key to knowing how big stars are, how fast they're moving around one another, their temperatures. Many things in the field of astrophysics derive from what Goodricke did in unlocking this secret.
Unfortunately, Goodricke never knew of his achievement. He contracted pneumonia and died 2 weeks before this award was given. Goodricke was 21 years old.